Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO 5.0. True SEO already tells you exactly what's holding your score back. Working through that list by hand is another job entirely, because a weak title, a thin meta description, a passive sentence, and a spelling error add up to half an hour you probably don't have. That's what the new Optimize with AI button does. It sits at the top of the content optimization card and one click rewrites your SEO title, meta description, headline, and content, and fixes your spelling all in the same pass. Before it changes anything, All-in-One SEO saves your current version as a revision. When it finishes, you get a report of every edit, your new score, and a revert link beside any single change you would rather keep as you wrote it. There's nothing to set up either. Open a post, click the optimization tab, press Optimize with AI, confirm, and it's done in about 10 seconds. The report shows each change side by side. Your old title struck through and a new one beside it, so you can see the score climb and exactly what earned it. A cafe owner can refresh an old opening hours post before the season starts, and a consultant can lift a backlog of thin service pages without rewriting each one by hand. Each run draws on your AI credits, so start on a low-stakes post and watch what it does before you take it through your archive. That's Optimize with AI in 5.0, and every plan has it. Update your plugin today and learn more at allinOneSEO.com.